Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. This month we're taking a look at the 1/48th Hawker Fury Biplane from 1989. This kit was first released all the way back in 1980. It was re-released in 1989 with this brand new box front. The last time it was seen in the Airfix range was 2013 with new decals. Bearing the distinction of being the first RAF fighter in squadron service to exceed 320 km/h, the Hawker Fury seemed to mark the peak of interwar fighter design, and although surpassed in performance by the later Gloucester Gladiator, the Fury cannot be shaken from its position as the most aesthetically attractive biplane fighter of the period. Now I'm sure you've noticed that there are quite a few loose parts on this kit, but hold on, we have a sprue. Admittedly, quite a few of the parts have fallen off this sprue. And another sprue next, this one has the pilot on it. A third sprue, and this one has a really cool detail. On the end we can see the name of the kit. Perhaps you could paint this up and display it next to your finished model. The final part of this box, the smallest clear part I have ever seen. Well, have you liked what you've seen? Would you build this kit or have you built it already? Let me know in the comments down below. Now onto the decals, and the decals are starting to fold over a little bit, but I'm sure they'll look great on the kit. And last but certainly not least, the instructions. They actually look pretty clear and easy to follow, and some lovely scheme instructions on the back. Well, that was the 1/48th Hawker Fury Biplane from 1989. What kit should we look at next? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.